Perfect.
What's swinging Autolust gang? And today is super special. Today I'm giving back to you guys. You guys are very interactive in the comments, very interactive in the DMs on my Instagram page. You guys send mods, help. You guys help me just as much as I help you, and that's the way it should be in a family. This the Autolust family, Autolust gang. So I definitely wanted to do a giveaway. This is the first giveaway on this channel. And it's a couple of rules for the giveaway, but nothing too crazy. And I'm gonna let you know the rules right now. First, you have to like this video. Second, you have to be a subscriber. That's easy. The content's great here. And I hear that from you guys. So, it's easy to be a subscriber. You have to be a subscriber, you gotta like, and you have to leave a positive comment. It could be about the giveaway, it could be about the channel, it could be about me. I don't know, it could be about me. Nah, I'm just kidding. It don't have to be about me. But just leave a comment, just leave a positive comment, and I'm gonna let you guys know what it is. Well, once I told a few friends of mine that I was doing a giveaway, and I told them what I was giving away, they said, "Oh man, that might be too big for your channel to be so new. You should do something small for a giveaway, like a keychain or something like that with the Autolust thing on it." We giving away big boy carbon fiber. That's what we giving away on Autolust. We giving away big boy carbon fiber today. So if you guys want to have a chance to win that, I'm gonna let you guys know. I'm not gonna tell you exactly what it is, but it's definitely for a BMW. There will be other builds and projects on this channel, but I'm an avid BMW lover, and those are the cars I have now, but trust me, if I could afford a Ferrari, I'd be modding a Ferrari right now, but I'm always gonna keep it true to Autolust, meaning that most of the cars, 90% of the cars I ever do a mod on this channel is gonna be something that at least a good 60-70% of you guys out there can afford, or 90% of you guys can go out and get anyways. Half of the stuff I have I can't afford, but I have it, so you understand what I'm saying. So it's definitely carbon fiber. It's definitely expensive, and if you can't use it, or if you don't use it, it'd be so easy to sell. Use it, give it away as a gift, or you can hang it up on the wall in your garage, and it'll be just as beautiful as a showpiece in the garage as it would be on the car itself. So, this is definitely gonna be my first giveaway, guys, and I'm super excited, to see how this thing turns out, and I'm so ecstatic for whoever the lucky winner for this beautiful piece of carbon fiber craftsmanship is gonna be. And this isn't no cheap piece of carbon fiber where it's a, some type of blowed plastic piece, and then it's overlaid with real carbon fiber and resin. This is solid carbon fiber here, guys. Solid carbon fiber. And it's gorgeous. And I can't wait to one of you win it. So, if you wanna, it's gonna be open for a full week. From the day this video airs to next week, I'm gonna choose the winner. And I'm gonna have it done by, I was gonna do a pick a number or answer this question or something like that, but I'm gonna do it the fairest way I can do it, so it's extremely fair, and that's gonna be with a artificial intelligent number picker, like a YouTube comment generator picker, and once that's done, and we find out who the winner is, I'm gonna announce the winner on that video, you know, and get the part shipped out to them, you know, give them the directions and stuff on how to put it on. If they need help putting it on or something like that, you know, I'm gonna give them as much help give that subscriber as much help as possible, you know. And in the future, I will be doing things like random giveaway keychains. You know, I want to do t-shirts, you know, because I love the Autolust logo. If you like that Autolust logo, smash the like button. You know, if you want to see keychains and stuff like that, smash the like button. Because I would love to have an Autolust keychain, like not the metal ones, the rubber ones that's raised with the, I'm gonna put a little picture up right here in the corner of the type of keychain I'm talking about. But true to, like, nice size, beautiful colors, the exact same colors look as the Autolust logo, you know, on a keychain or something like that. I mean, that'd be real nice. So I would love to like give those away, you know, here and there, or like maybe put them up on the website for sale for dirt cheap, you know, like just to cover the cost of them being made, and maybe a couple bucks. Nothing super expensive, you know. I never try to sell you guys nothing ultra expensive or something. I'm not trying to get rich off my family, and you guys are my family. So yeah, if you want to enter this giveaway, the first annual Autolust giveaway is going to be many more, and you know, hopefully the prizes get bigger and bigger and bigger. That's what I'm hoping for. So yeah, you definitely have to be a subscriber. You gotta like the video. You have to make a comment, you know, and follow the Instagram page. You know, because I'm gonna start putting a lot more sneak peeks up on the Instagram page, so you guys will know what's going on behind the scenes. I'm gonna start doing a bunch of more, you know, behind the scenes stuff on the Instagram page. So those things are the rules. I'm gonna have them down there in the description. So if you guys forget what the rules are, you can look down in the description to find out what the rules are. So, you know, like, share, and subscribe. I really appreciate you guys very much, and I'm actually more happy to give this away than me buying something for myself. You know, that just goes to show what type of wonderful subscribers you guys are. I really appreciate it. I love you guys a lot, and Autolust out.